Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a table driven pattern is discussed here. And guys, today discuss here a table driven pattern command is discussed here. And guys, today lecture is discussed here SolidWorks lecture 35C and SolidWorks all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, let's start here. A table driven pattern command is discussed here. Okay, 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 okay guys, at first draw a simple rectangle and use a extrude boss command, and then a second point is used here. A second point is used here. A circle is cut, extrude cut. Okay, two command is already discussed here, and draw a 3D model. Then this command is a use a table driven pattern. Okay, this table driven pattern command is discussed here. Okay, this table driven pattern command is discussed here. At first, 2 point, a very important point, and first point is a draw this is a coordinate system. Okay, click coordinate system and select any point, and this point is a very important. And okay, corner point is already is correct. This point is okay, this point is a perfect, and this vertex point is perfect. Click OK. Okay, first point is coordinate system is drawing here, and second point is a this okay, second point is a draw a click a notepad. Okay, notepad, and any value is given here. Okay, any coordinate value is given, any coordinate value is put here of at first 40 comma 90 enter 330 comma 80. Okay, enter. Okay, 0 40 comma 60 enter. Okay, 20 comma 80 enter. Okay, 80 comma 60 enter. Okay, this is a perfect, and 90 comma 20. Okay, this is a perfect. Any value is put here, and this is a at first saving here, control S and save. The name is a okay, save this this text document is saved here already, and then file name is a SolidWorks table. Okay, this is a correct, and click OK, and this is a okay, this is a perfect. 2 point is very important. First point is coordinate system, and second point is notepad is open here, and put any coordinate value. Okay, and then use a table driven pattern. Click here. Okay, and at first read file from this browse open, and this pattern is a text file, because already this file is a saved text file. Okay, and this is a file is SolidWorks table. Click and open. Okay, this value is, you can see here, all value is a x coordinate and y coordinate is given here. Okay, and this is a 6 total 6 point is draw here, and okay, and second point is a coordinate system, click here, and this coordinate is correct. Okay, and then third point is a select feature to copy, means this is a correct, this. Okay, all is okay, this is a perfect, and click okay. This is a looking very nice. Okay, okay, this is a correct, and this pattern is a okay, this is a correct, and click a okay any color, and select a blue color is perfect, and pink color is also perfect. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, again select this is a correct, and also use a pattern. This is a sketch pattern is okay, sketch pattern is a click here, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is looking perfect. Okay, okay guys, table pattern is discussed here, and all point is learn here, and I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.